welcome to my channel. I am going to be reviewing a new coffee this week from Lamill Coffee Company in Los Angeles. The reason why I chose them is because they won the gold at the Golden Bean Awards for Best Roaster for their espresso. I'm going to be reviewing their Element blend. Says it's made up of Ethiopian Colombian. It has a roast on date. Very basic packaging, of course. I have high expectations for this coffee. Obviously, it's a gold medal winner. Hopefully, it'll be one of the best espressos I've reviewed this year. We'll see. We're going to analyze it, cup it, pull shots, make cappuccinos, drip brew it over several days, and then I am going to review it on an SCA cupping form. So anyway, I'll be right back, let you know what I'm finding out about it. I have been analyzing, cupping, drinking, pulling shots. Actually, I pulled several different types of shots from the WBC World's Best Espresso I had from last week, Clutch, and this one from Lamill. And just going to give you some of my findings so far. Anyway, when I analyzed it, the roast color, the outside was a 62, inside 67. So it has a very small vector, which means it was probably a slow, long coffee roast. And by the way, for those techies that want to know out there, Lamill uses a Probat 60 kilo roaster. So you know what they're using. And the taste is very lemony. On the initial grinding, I had sweet strawberry, different berries, very nice hints of citrus in the break on the scent. But when we get right down to the flavor, it has a very lemony, very lemon zest flavor to it. Very subdued sweetness, not very sweet coffee. And acidity was not bad, but it wasn't as sharp as what I would like it. But anyway, let's show you what the beans look like. And I'm going to guess there's maybe 2 or 3 types of beans in here. You know, just because it says Ethiopian Colombian doesn't mean it's 2 beans. It could be multi-Colombian, multi-Ethiopian, but there's probably just 2 in here. They're fairly small beans. There's a lot of male seeds in here. And anyway, oh, by the way, that 62, that was a medium roast, in case you want to know what it is. But anyway, I'm going to drink this coffee for the next 2 days. I'm going to keep working on my score sheet. And I will be back, and we're going to pull a shot, and maybe make a cappuccino, and see how I like this coffee after a couple of days. So I'll be right back. Welcome back. It's been several days I've been drinking this coffee. And I'm going to let you know what I thought about it. But first, I'm going to make a cappuccino. Let's try it. Yeah, very nice 28-second 2-ounce shot. And I really like cappuccinos a lot. You know, that's one of my favorite drinks. Other than espresso shots. Oh, I didn't quite foam this milk enough, but that's okay. A little more there. Give it a try. Not the best cappuccino I ever made, but anyway. This coffee is a little soft on the cappuccino. It's really lacking that bite. Okay, well, let's get into it. So anyway, I've been drinking this Lamill element blend for the last couple of days. I've pulled shots, I've cupped it, espresso shots, brewed a few by V60, cappuccinos, lattes, and I'm gonna let you know what I thought. Anyway, as you know, I gave it a 62 on the outside roast, 67, which means kind of a long, slow, even roast. On the fragrance, it had a very nice fragrance. Sweet, strawberry, some allspice. I gave it a 9.25. On the break, hints of citrus, lemon, allspice. Anyway, on the score of flavor, I gave it a 9. Aftertaste, I gave it an 8.75. Not much of a long, lingering taste at all there. On acidity, I gave it a 9. Might have been a little high on that, I'm not sure. But anyway, we're gonna leave it at 9, but didn't have a lot of sharpness. It has a very lemony, but didn't really have that acidic kick that I like. Sweetness, 8.75. There was no bitterness, so that was a 10. Mouthful, 8.5. Didn't really linger and last in my mouth the way I would have liked it, so anyway. Balance, 8.75. But there was no defects, no odd taste, so we gave it a 10. And overall drinkability, I gave it a 9. Which brings us up to a score of 91. In terms of flavors in the shot, there were flavors of caramel. In the V60, it didn't have that much bloom. I was kind of like wondering why. I don't know. It was older than I thought it was, but it has hints of allspice. Tasted good. Didn't have a lot of sweetness. I have to say, at 91, it's a good coffee, but I was actually very disappointed. You know, I was thinking this was going to be a champion coffee that was going to take on the clutch WBC World's Best Espresso. Really no match at this point. WBC is definitely the winner, so we're going to keep looking for if we can find something better than that. But anyway, that's my score. Next week I'm going to do something a little different. I am getting some coffee from the Thanksgiving Coffee Company up in Mendocino, California. They're out on the coast. Someone recommended their Mocha Java, which is a Ethiopian Sumatra blend. So we're going to give that a try next week, and so I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, please hit the like button. It helps a lot. Have a great day.